How is ISM code implemented on ships? The International Safety Management ISM code ensures the safety of life in ship at sea by implementing various safety practices on board ships. ISM code works with the motive of satisfying three important goals: safety of people on board, safety of ship in cargo, safety of marine environment. For implementing ISM code on ships, all the three, the shipping company, the governing authority, and the ship crew together play an important role. Every seafarer should know the important aspect of the ISM code in order to create a safe working environment while at sea. ISM code is implemented on ship in the following ways: plans and checklists. For the most integral part of the implementation procedure of the ISM code on ships. Checklist for safe starting and stopping of shipboard machineries, along with plans to carry out various work procedures on board ship. Ensure the safety of the ship and marine environment. Plans and checklists also include accurate defining of tasks to be carried out by each crew member of the ship. Procedures are formed to tackle emergency situations on board ships. This emergency preparedness to respond to emergency is included in ship staffs through drills and various emergency training programs. Every activity on ship is a team effort. Effectiveness meetings and discussion help in a great way to take the security of the ship to an all-new level. Find out how to conduct effective team meetings on board ships in order to ensure the utmost safety of the ships. The ISM code targets the very basics of the ship, ensuring proper maintenance of the ship's machinery. This includes inspection of ship's machinery at regular intervals of time, taking the right action in case non-conformity, keeping a record of causes, a maintenance activity for future reference, regular testing of equipment and system, training ship personnel and keeping them updated with the latest in industry. A maintenance plan is made in order to carry out ship machinery and repair work. Know how to make ship maintenance plan here. What to add ship engine room plan, maintenance system, know it here. Every ship has a safety committee, along with the safety officers, to discuss and implement new safety work practices and update the existing ones. The master of the ship is the chairman of the committee and ensure proper functioning of the same. Every details of the ship is noted down in valid documents, which are available all the time on board the ships. These documents are reviewed at regular interval of the time during audits. All the changes in the documents are reviewed and approved by the authorized personnel. Moreover, all the documents necessary for the safety of the ship are mentioned in the SMS manual. The shipping company plays an important role to ensure that ISM code is properly implemented. On the ships, the company also appoints owner safety officers who is required to carry out his duty properly by providing all the necessary information regarding following strict safety policies implemented under the ISM code not only helps in ensuring the safety of life and environment but also benefits the shipping company in a variety of ways. The type of procedures adopted for a shipping under the ISM code depends on the type of the ships and the shipping company. The safety management system is an organized system planned and implemented by the shipping companies to ensure the safety of the ships and marine environment. An important aspect of the International Safety Management ISM code, and it details all the important policies, practice, and procedures that are to be followed in order to ensure the safety functioning of the ship at the sea. All commercial vessels are required to establish safety ship management procedures. SMS form one of the important parts of the ISM code. The safety management system therefore ensures that each and every ships comply with the mandatory safety rules and regulation and following codes, guidelines, standards recommended by the IMO, Classification Society, and concerned maritime organization. Every safety management policy should satisfy some of the basic functional requirements to ensure the safety of every ship and guidelines to act in an emergency situation. safety and environment protection policy, procedures and guidelines for reporting accidents or any other form of non-conformities, clear information and level of authority, thin lines of communication among ship crew members and between shore and shipboards, personnel procedures and guidelines to ensure safety operation ships and protect of marine environment, in compliance with relevant international flag state legislation, procedure for internal audits and management review, vessel details. In short, a safety management system will consist of the details as to how vessel would operate on a day-to-day basis, what are procedures to be followed in case of an emergency, how are drills and training conducted, measure taken for safety operations, who is designated person. The safety management plan is mainly the responsibility of the owner of the vessel or designated person, or the person appointed by the owner. However, the shipmasters and the crew are the best people to make an SMS. As to know the vessel inside, as a future officer in ship, you need to know what international safety management and know what the safety management is to ensure the safety and well-being of our comrades on board for a safe trip. Thank you very much for listening, and that's my vlog.